In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create a professional invoice in Zoho Books in just a few steps. Start from your Zoho Books dashboard and navigate to the Sales section. Then click on the Invoices tab. This is where you manage all your billing, from pending payments to finalized transactions. To create a new invoice, click the plus new button to open a blank invoice template. First, enter your client details, including name, contact info, and billing address. Accuracy here is key to avoid payment delays. Next, fill in the items or services you're billing for, adding descriptions, quantities, and unit prices. Zoho Books automatically calculates subtotals, taxes, and the grand total, so make sure any sales tax or VAT is applied correctly. You can also add a custom note or message at the bottom for a personal touch like payment instructions or a simple thank you. Once reviewed, you can either save it as a draft or send it directly to the client via email. And that's it. With these steps, generating invoices in Zoho Books becomes quick and professional, helping you get paid on time and maintain clear financial records.